Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website in Google Sites. Okay, this website is built using Google Sites, and let's see how to delete it. First, go to sites.google.com. I will open it in this tab. Okay, this is the website that I want to delete. First, let's see how to unpublish a website instead of completely deleting it. Because the difference with unpublish, you keep the website on your files on the internet, but not accessible to the public. Okay, how to do this? Simply next to this publish button, click on this down arrow and hit unpublish. A new window will pop up. It says this site will no longer be live. You can still make edits and publish your site again. Okay, click on got it. Your site is now unpublished. And now if I click on this publish button, I'll try to visit my website without publishing it. This is what I will see. My website is not accessible online. So this is the first method to delete a website. Now let's see how to delete it completely from your Google Site account. Okay, I will publish this website again. Let's view the website, the published site. As you see, it goes back to be live. Now let's see how to delete it. So here, simply go again to sites.google.com. This is the website I've just edited, and to publish it on my bed and to delete it, click on these three dots and select remove. A new page opens up, family update. This is the website name, will be moved to drive trash and deleted forever after 30 days. If this file is shared, collaborators can still make a copy of it until it's permanently deleted. Okay, let's move it to the trash. Move it to trash. And now let's try to refresh the same page again. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. And now let's try to refresh the same page again. And as you see, the site is no more accessible online. And of course, I think you can restore it from the Google Drive. I think let's check the trash folder. This is the website family update, and you can restore it. So you can still restore it from here. If you didn't restore it in the next 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. And this is how to delete a website in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.